Hey, what's up guys? So today we're getting ready to change the headlights. So first we gotta remove all this plastics. Should be around 16 of them, somewhere around there. See all this? So remove all those tabs. Then pull that off. Just put it to the side. And then go ahead and plug these two plugs right here. And then we're gonna remove this two bolts right here. 1, 2. And then we're gonna pull this out. So on this other side I already pulled them out. See, I already got those pulled out, so let me pull this. Alright, so once you got that off, then go ahead and go do the same thing to the other side. Alright, so once you got those two out, you're gonna go ahead and pull this one out. So that one just has clips. Let me get that off real quick. See, it's just all clips all around. So just pull it little by little. I'm gonna get this other side. All those little clips. No screws on this. And then we're gonna remove this grill. See, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 screws on top. Alright, so the top one, it's a 10mm, and then the bottom's an 8. Two of them. Alright, so once you took off the 4 screws on top and the 2 in the corners right here, you could just go ahead and pop it. Should be some clips there. There we go. Okay, look, I forgot those 2. There's 2 more there. Let me pop those out real quick. Here's the other one. Don't forget to pull this little clip out like I did. There it is. Now I can start taking off the headlights. See, there's 1, 2, and then there's a clip there. And then there's a 8 and a 10. And another 10 over here. Alright guys, so yeah, for sure you gotta pull this thing out. Don't forget that clip goes right here. Right here. Then once you got that, just take off 2 plugs. Or 3. And that's out. That's a big ass headlight. Alright guys, so this is a new headlight right here. I don't know if you guys can see. We're gonna go ahead and plug it up. Because this brown wire goes to the brown and then those ones. Alright, so looks, you gotta pull this lights out. Take this little bulb out. That one's gonna go right here. And then just go ahead and push it in. Alright. Just twist it. And that one goes there. And this other one goes over here on the other side. Same thing, twist it. Then that one goes over here and does. Alright. And I'm not gonna put the relay hands. I'm not gonna need it. I'm gonna go ahead and test that out. Alright, that works. Let me turn on those flashers. And turn the lights on. Alright. Alright, it's working. So now let's just put everything back together and same way pretty much. So everything's back together, lights are on. See? It looks like the lights are flickering, but they're not, so don't think they are. And I'll probably put it in the garage in a little bit and show you guys inside how they look. Alright guys, well the headlights are all done and everything, so we're gonna turn them on so you guys can see how they look. I'm gonna just go ahead and unlock the truck. See? And that's when locking it. Then I'm gonna turn it on now. So now I'm gonna put the right turn signal so you guys can see. See, there it is. Now we're gonna do the The other side. Alright, there it is. Now we're going to turn on the whole headlights and the high beams and see how they look.